up? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys have been enjoying the vids, man. I still can't believe we're pulling the same views. I'm proud of it, because you guys I already told you guys my goal, man. Just gotta keep grinding what I do right now. My main goal is, dude, I keep talking about the same thing. You guys already know, man. We're trying to make money, put investments, passive income, and just spam buy cars up to that. Did not mean to shift like that. But right now it's like prime time, dude. It's super hot, but it's actually like perfect weather today, so that's why I decided to take this thing out. I need to drive this thing way more, dude. I'm so grateful I just have these two cars right now, because I feel like I don't know, man, just like these cars are amazing, man. I know I've motivated a lot of you guys to buy this car, so you guys can probably relate, but sometimes you want to have like no expenses, you know? Like that's what I'm craving right now, is like no expenses. Like these two cars are like chill expenses, that's it, dude. I just want to be smart with my money right now. And there's like a lot of good like high yield savings accounts too that pay like 3.5%, which is like pretty fat, dude. Like for no uninvested cash. Like what I tell people is like, if you want to buy a car but you don't have that kind of money in cash, don't buy it. Because for example, you could put that money into a high yield savings account, so it's no risk at all, other than inflation being the risk. But you having money in a high yield savings account, it pays for half of your loan. So if your loan's at 7%, 3.25 pretty much almost pays for half of it, which is good. You know, now you're only paying like technically 4% in interest. So like that's why I try to tell people 3.7% interest. That's hella low. Like that, if you have the cash to buy this car, and you want it, rather than invest in money, instead of investing, you want to buy some cars to treat yourself, dude. That's like, this is not financial advice, but that's what I would do, and that's what I've done. So it's been very nice, because dude, we're only young once, but I also don't want to be like in financial burden young, you know. But just be smart, man. Any of you guys, just be, until you make 40 bucks an hour, dude, just chill. And making 40 bucks an hour, dude, there's so many places to make money, bro. Like plumbing, I would never want to do plumbing, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, but that's why plumbing exists, dude. There's people, there's money where people don't want to do. Like even I wouldn't want to do plumbing. If I had no choice, I would, obviously. Is here? Wait, you much tripping? I think 412 is like an auto shop. I love how just aggressive freaking American cars are. It sucks that they don't have the craziest control, but screw it, dude. Frick it. It's more fun than an M5, I'll be honest. I love the M5. It sounds amazing. But it's the fun, like the fun you got out of this car, dude, it's different. I'm gonna keep saying that because it's true. Like, I love the M5. It feels good, but like, I don't know, you know, if it's not a Porsche, bro, the handling can only do so much. You can only do so much. You only can get such good handling out of an M5. need to tighten my pipes in already, dude. It's like 90 degrees out. I hope you guys doing good, man. I hope the past 3 years, you know, you guys watched my video and really took it, because dude, it's blue collars everywhere and everybody's hungry. The demand is crazy, and there's always gonna be demand because most people don't want to do. It's like anyone that's not doing blue collar, bro, like it's really it's just an excuse, because there's everybody wants it. The job sucks, man. Like, you're not getting paradise definitely doing blue collar, but you're getting money at least. At least you're getting paid well. That's the most important, honestly. Yeah, if I'm like short shifting it, I'm honestly not doing it on purpose, because it starts slipping after like 5k RPM, like almost every single time, and then if I'm in track mode, it stops me from slipping, which is kind of nice. honestly, for how crazy I drive this, 10 miles per gallon is not bad. And I'm always stopping, you know, I'm not on the freeway. I honestly never take this thing on the freeway for a reason, dude. Like, if I'm gonna put miles on, I'm gonna put miles on when I drive around town, dude. I'm gonna be vibing with this thing. actually the only time I actually drive this thing. Holy, what the heck was that? That was wild. And I have less air pressure in the back tire too, dude. And I still slip like that. Alright boys, you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. If you want to see more, hopefully in the future, my goal is to have like, my goal is to have like a freaking 10 cars in the garage. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.